You can find swamps easily by opening your map and looking for dark brown patches of land.
Okay, good night, Bob.
Bye, Louis.
By the way.
Bye.
Actually, kind of late.
That's it.
But
Do you guys have-
if we log out now, we're gonna spawn in the sea. This is
Yep.
death for life.
Do you guys have
Johnny, there's a customer answer that. Meteor on.
don't have
Yeah, I'm already falling asleep.
Yeah, we'll call you. We'll WhatsApp call you. Don't worry.
Yeah, when we reach there, we'll wake you up.
What is this?
Ping it again. We might wanna go a bit left.
Let me go drink some water. By the time, I hope nothing happens.
Yeah, sure, you can do.
Mukund comes back. A dragon is on screen. The boat is on fire.
Team is not responding.
Oh, nice.
Wait, what? Yeah, it's fine. You can die. I mean, you can save it.
Not right now.
Just
Guys, I have a positive feeling about this. I think we are gonna get our stuff back.
bit of positivity going on. Can I get a ping again? Thanks.
Actually, what if we go to the swamps? Whatever.
We can't use the stuff. We don't have any item.
I'll ping again.
Yeah, I see. The water is pushing.
Is that land? You have to go left.
Now I'm too scared to move, but I think I'll do it.
No. It's fine.
The boat is fine. The boat is fine.
Yeah, you don't have to move actually. Like you can. Wait, I don't even have a hammer, so yeah, no. Oh. I can see myself outside. Kinda scared.
Just start the course. Okay, we are on course. No worries. Give them 50 seconds. I agree against us.
Everything is against us, bitch.
Sarkar will join the sleep man. This is much fun.
So when we reach there, Anupam plans to think I am a distraction, right?
Yeah, me too.
Like you're a distraction if that's the last resort.
Okay, what if we split into two teams? No, that never works.
We don't have resources for two teams.
Yeah.
But if
It
something
needs to be-
comes to bite me, yeah, do feel free to jump in front of me.
Yeah, that's the only thing.
But the thing is, it's like auto lock, like locked.
Yeah, there's no timing, you know.
Yeah, it locks someone, it goes for it.
Yeah, it's like maybe it waits for a certain time for you to fuck off to know that it's not your place.
If that is the thing, then we have a shot.
No. That is not the thing.
Why not? Ada, atta samay edutho, okay? We were like,
Shut up, you. I'm telling you, and that's after. Like Vicky first, I had like 2 HP left. I ran so far from there, chased me and killed me. Calm down.
Yeah, I know, but then നമ്മൾ അത്രയും നേരം അവിടെ നിന്നല്ലേ വർക്ക് ബെഞ്ച് എടുത്തു എന്തൊക്കെ വുഡ് കട്ട് ചെയ്യാൻ പോയി.
പക്ഷെ ഉള്ളില് പോകുമ്പോഴാ സീനായേ.
Yeah, they spawned inside the forest, not like outside the.
Oh, then we are fucked.
No,
So-
if in that scenario we would be safe to build a portal, but we would have to run back to the forest to pick up our shit.
Yeah.
Then we would be fucked.
Okay. What if we make portals to every place, like you know? Oh, but then we only found plains. So no. Wait, we found mountains.
We
right? Oh yeah.
we have mountains in our own island, man.
Yeah.
Like we can make portals to every island, but the game will force us to use ship because they have dragon egg, titan ore, and titan alalo, tin ore and crap like that. We cannot.
Yeah, you
teleport.
can't. You can't travel. You can't bring them through that portal.
Yep.
The portal will be like you are carrying something else and you don't.
അതില് ലെഫ്റ്റ് പോ. ഇങ്ങോട്ട് വാ.
അത് ലെഫ്റ്റ് പോകാത്തതിന്റെ കാരണം പറഞ്ഞാൽ വിൻഡ് ടോട്ടലി ഇഷ്ടമാണ്. അവിടെ കുറച്ച് വളഞ്ഞ
അല്ലടാ നീ അങ്ങോട്ട് പോയാ നീ ലാൻഡിലേക്ക് ആയിരിക്കും കേറാ. ഇവിടെ കേറ്.
പക്ഷെ വിൻഡ് വേണ്ടേ?
ആ. ഇപ്പൊ വിൻഡ് എങ്ങോട്ടാ നമ്മുടെ? Like right in front, like it's coming from right in front of us.
Yep.
എന്നാ നീ ഒരു കാര്യം ചെയ്യ്, ലെഫ്റ്റിലോട്ട് പോ.
No.
Yeah, go here. Because this is where we need to go. മൊത്തം ഇട്. ഇല്ല മൊത്തം ഇട് താഴേക്ക്.
See, it's collecting is going like ഞാൻ വളയുമ്പോ shush.
എരിവളക്കണ്ണാലെന്നെ വിളിച്ചതെന്തിന് നീ ജമീല.
Mom comes again. A bitch in front of us. No, actually playing this, I actually want to pilot something. Captain something. അപ്പൊ വിൻഡ് ഉണ്ടോ അതോ വിൻഡ് ഇല്ലയോ?
പിന്നെ നമ്മൾ ഓപ്പോസിറ്റ് ആണ്, നമ്മൾ വളയുന്ന ഡയറക്ഷനിലേക്ക് നമ്മൾ ശരിക്കും ഔട്ട് ഓഫ് ഫോഴ്സ് മനസ്സിലായോ?
Oh fuck. No. Hold.
നമ്മൾ കറക്റ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നതുകൊണ്ട് പിന്നെ നമ്മൾ ഓപ്പോസിറ്റ്.
What if we go here?
ഇല്ല അപ്പുറം
Why? No.
അപ്പൊ ഓപ്പോസിറ്റ് ആയതുകൊണ്ട്
Are you talking about me? Because I didn't listen.
Oh no. എടാ അത് ലാൻഡ്
That's land. Like side പിടിച്ചോ?
I know. Just believe me, guys. Please.
Yeah.
Yeah, if we went, he went, so he can see it, I guess.
Good Valheim music. I think wind is coming.
Yeah. And it stops. I think when the wind pushes us, it'd be like
Yes.
music play.
കുറച്ചുകൂടി ഇവിടെ പോയാൽ നന്നായിരിക്കും.
Okay.
Yeah, that's exactly where we go.
Yeah, music play.
എടാ, am I outside? Fuck.
fine, boys. We still have music.
Yeah. Right, left. I see the troll. Hi, troll.
It's still there?
Look right.
He's still there. Dude. Poor guy.
We have seen shit, troll. We have seen very bad shit.
Dude, did you know all the creatures attack each other?
Yeah.
Yeah, if troll sees a elf, they try to kill each other, or they see a boar.
Nice.
Hey, what is the actual grammar? Might come first on my list or in my list?
Good.
On.
It might come first.
Is it Nehal? Oh god, I lost control. Anytime now is the
Honey.
I don't have to bring, like, I can see it on the map.
Oh.
Okay. I'm bored. That's all.
So we ping.
That's fine, it's helpful. Okay, almost slow down.
Why is it always the woman doing the one dance? Is it like, oh my god, Billie Eilish posted something?
I don't understand.
Okay.
What's the time? 1:20. 2 o'clock is the
Imagine we getting in that island and it has some night special monsters.
time.
No, by the time we reach there, it will be morning.
Oh, okay.
Hopefully.
Yep.
It's a-
No, it'll be morning, don't worry. കാറ്റില്ല.
കാറ്റില്ല. നമുക്കൊരു കുളിച്ചാലോ? Guys.
ഇച്ചോ?
ഇവിടെ നിന്ന് കുളിച്ചാലോ നമുക്ക് അങ്ങോട്ട്? ഇവിടെ കുളിച്ചാലോ?
നേരൊക്കെ ഉറങ്ങിയിട്ട് പറഞ്ഞു.
Actually, no, he was talking like.
What is Nehal sending us? Oh, in his video I see nipples. I don't see nipples in mine.
He turned on explicit.
Artists.
Oh yeah, my nipples are covered. God.
Sorry.
The music is like we're gonna win this game.
At least the wind believes. No, the music believes.
മലയാളിക്ക് മൗണ്ടൻസ് ശരിയാക്കിയാണ്.
വിൻഡ് ഇല്ലെങ്കിലേ നമ്മൾ താഴേക്ക് ഇടണ്ടേ? Or is it not helping us?
വീട്ടിലെങ്കിലും ഒന്ന് താഴേക്ക് ഇട്ടേ പറ്റൂ. It's in the black zone.
Yeah, if it is black, നമുക്ക് താഴെ ഇടാലോ സെയിൽസ്.
താഴെ ഇട്ടേ പറ്റൂ.
ഇപ്പൊ ഇല്ലേ? ഇപ്പൊ എന്താ? ഇപ്പൊ ബ്ലാക്ക് ആണോ? എന്നാ ഇട് താഴേക്ക്.
Yeah, actually made more than 5 votes.
ബ്ലാക്ക് ആകുമ്പോ താഴേക്ക് ഞാൻ ഉദ്ദേശിച്ചത് മുകളിലേക്ക് ഇടണം. അയ്യോ
Why? കുറച്ചാണെങ്കിലും സഹായിക്കില്ലേ?
ഇനി പറ്റുമോ?
Okay.
ചന്ദനമണി സന്ധ്യകളിൽ
കറുപ്പ് ഞാൻ കറുപ്പെന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ അറിയാം ലൈക്ക് സോ ഓപ്പോസിറ്റ് പറയുമ്പോൾ ഹൗ വിൽ ഇറ്റ് ഹെൽപ്പ് us?
Okay, opposite. Okay, fine.
ഞാൻ കറുപ്പ് ഉദ്ദേശിച്ചത് wind will get shaded out. What is that?
Shaded out of.
Yeah, just notice next.
Okay, the darker the color is, I mean the brighter it is.
Almost
the
at that,
more it is, right?
I hope the morning.
It's just not. This is
Mosquitoes. Mukund search how to delay mosquitoes.
There is no delay. It itself is. It's like one shot if you don't have enough stuff.
I know about that, but then
They are so cocky that they actually decided to call it Death Squiddo. Imagine the effort that went into that.
Dude, at least it should give at least half a life, not one shot.
But like maybe like a warning, like you shouldn't be in planes without company.
Yeah.
yeah, where's the
Something like
fucking
that.
crow when you
Yeah, the crow is like, okay, bye, man.
crow is trolling on us.
yeah, the crow is not there only need
The crow will definitely troll us. Sir Cabbage has destroyed the crow. Remember, Sir Cabbage? I hate that fucking crow.
Come on, the thing. It's not asleep. Come on.
I mean, he makes a point. We can't do anything. Oh, I see the place. Is that the place?
No.
But if it's not a plane, it will be some other island.
Oh, I have no interest to go to any island at this point. Just get our shit, warp back. That's it.
Okay, we are nearing our place, guys. I'm kind of nervous.
Yep.
Please be morning. Please be morning.
This is harder than a clutch in breeze.
The music is helping.
Clutch and breeze is that hard?
Okay.
Have you
This
clutched?
is actually
I
like
haven't.
an actual mission.
Have I clutched in anything?
I feel like I'm gonna type my final exam.
Yeah, I don't think that's serious.
We go there, we put Anupam's portal, I distract, Psych distract, and we jump into the portal and fuck off.
Jump into the portal and fuck off. Jump into the portal and fuck off. Jump into the portal
I
and
have
jump
a
into the portal.
small feeling that
Imagine we go there, mosquitoes waiting for us. Hey,
yeah, that's what, because we always been there, right?
yeah,
Maybe
and
like
we'll-
those
Catch a
mofos
bit.
will come again.
They
to-
go away. They go away. Grey dwarfs don't stay the same place after the morning, right?
Okay, fine.
yeah, but this guy, bitches are there in the morning also.
Please don't
What
get close to that island. Please don't go close to that
coming from
island.
there? Purple smoke. Left side, purple smoke.
I'm just going with the help of the wind, so I'll come with the help of and you guys have to deal with that.
Time to eat food.
Oh, it's already morning time.
Ah. Oh my god, play some
Can I-
dramatic music.
Yeah, I'm right there. There is not planes here in this island. This is not planes, but it's connected to planes.
Actually, this is where the mosquitoes came from, between the trees. And I don't like how close we are to this.
Dude,
Why is it turning left?
I see the land. I see the land. Calm down. Calm down.
shivering there.
No,
What
like,
if they?
we have to go to the exact point we landed last time.
Yeah,
Dude,
yeah.
I can't scream, okay? I can't
I
scream.
know. Just,
I'm sorry, we're all just nervous.
like, they have zero trust in my ability. I feel.
Oh,
We are people sitting inside a boat doing nothing. We have to do something now.
Yeah.
Yes, keep distrusting my ability. That's what you can do.
Atul, why do you suck?
Thanks.
Good, don't. The man put down sails. We are going left. Don't do that.
Great enough. Hello. What's up?
Boys, you can actually get in.
Skeleton down. They're fighting each other. They're fighting each other.
Oh, that's why this thing is low.
Yeah, they help.
Okay, so that region is forest. This region is plain.
Exactly, that's what I'm saying. So we could stay in the forest here and get ready.
I don't want to do shit in this land anymore. I don't
So
care.
that's forest.
We're in plains. We are in plains. Check minimap. It says plains.
Oh, fuck.
I'll just talk same place
No,
last
no,
time.
no. That's not the same
No,
place.
that's not the place. That's not the place.
Okay, heart attack. Oh my god.
I know this game.
I am scared. I'm so scared. I forgot the mission. What to do?
I'll follow Leo's script.
No,
We are scared of one small what to do.
how do I say?
Oh shit.
You guys are like, no, I just feel this board completely.
I see your boat. I see your boat. I see your boat.
Yeah, that's good. That's our boat. Yeah, that's our boat.
Oh my
Oh
god.
my god.
Oh god. Oh god. Oh god.
I have a different idea. Can we take this boat and go back?
Yeah, sure. What is? Okay, we are ready. I'm ready with my WSD button and my mouse button.
Body temperature rising. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
I'm
Sir,
actually sweating.
get up.
Okay, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, Sir Kevin.
I'm gonna jump. I'm gonna jump. I'm gonna jump. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Portal. Again. No. Invalid placement. Set tag.
Set tag, set tag.
Sally 2.
What? Hey, the crow came.
I'm back home. I'm back home.
That's fine.
The fucking crow.
Try to get the stuff now.
I found my place.
It's nightmares.
Eda, this time I actually saw the thing coming, so yeah. Eda, actually, there are 2 to 3 stuff, okay? Basically, you can't take your shit. So yeah.
Me?
That's fine. I'm not trying to do it.
If somebody gives me food and can I run to my shit?
Oh my god, guys, I fucked up.
Did you? Run back?
I also died.
You know where I spawned?
No?
The
Umbi.
How the fuck did you get over there?
because I didn't. Because all the beds are fucking occupied.
I recovered my items.
Thing to destroy it.
I'm coming back.
Can I eat this?
I dropped my stuff. There's a core. There's a Salticore in my portal. Salticore in my portal.
What?
I bought the Salting core near the portal.
Then cross through it.
There's a bee spawn camping. There's a
Yeah,
insect
there's a
spawn
bee
camping.
spawning. Yeah. We can't now officially go inside that.
Eda, I have a this thing. Oh, Mukund died. Okay. Listen, portal ഉണ്ടാക്കിയോ?
Items recovered.
Actually, ഉണ്ടാക്കി.
അപ്പൊ എനിക്ക് ഈ പോർട്ടൽ വെച്ച് ആ പോർട്ടലിലേക്ക് പോകാൻ പറ്റുമോ?
Huh? I came back.
Came back when died again and came back.
No, I didn't die. I got my stuff back.
I got my stuff back.
I got my stuff back, but I didn't take everything. I took all the necessary items.
Did you?
I took everything. I dropped my stuff.
Mukund, do you know select all is an option?
Yeah, but I can't take everything because I had stuff.
Okay, I'm back.
നിങ്ങൾക്കെല്ലാം ടെസ്റ്റ് എടുത്ത് വെച്ചോടെ.
Wait.
Yeah. I'm gonna name it. Okay?
Leo didn't
I'm
fuck
gonna
up. Leo can come back to.
Patul up.
I don't understand. So how do I connect this to something?
Wait. Just wait. Let me get
Leo,
back.
Mukund, check this out. Check out this name.
What name?
Who's all in which all places?
Oh yeah, okay.
Atul is here. Where?
I made Nehal and mine. Anupam, you can take that.
When I say use the portal, okay? Use the portal, Leo. Use it.
I died again.
Oh, I'm coming. Ah! Let's go.
Can I?
Sir Cabbage, you have no portal, so just wait.
Wait. I know how to deal with this. See, this it will be targeting. It won't be targeting everyone at the same time. Okay. So yeah. So what you have to do is we have to recover all the items from there, our bodies. So
അപ്പൊ നമ്മൾ
we have to-
അഞ്ച് ഒരുമിച്ച് ഓടിയാ പോരെ
ഓരോരാൾ എടുക്കണം. അതാണ് ഉണ്ടാവുക.
എന്റെ സ്റ്റഫ് ഒക്കെ ഇവിടെ ഇട്ട് ഈ ചെസ്റ്റിലെല്ലാം അനുപം ഡോണ്ട്
Yeah. I'm gonna.
അതാണ് അതുള്ളേ.
Wait, how did Sir Cabbage come back?
I died.
എടാ എനിക്കിവിടെ സ്പോൺ പോയിന്റ് സെറ്റ് ചെയ്യണം. എങ്ങനെ
Wait, what are we doing now? I'm just out of touch.
എടാ ഇവിടെ ഇല്ല other house bedroom.
I don't care. Let's just go.
Now, what are we doing? Just I'm not clear.
We are getting our stuff back.
എടാ നമ്മളെല്ലാവരും
What is up, right?
You guys got it, now I go.
Okay, fine. Let me just drop everything.
Yeah, because we need to get everyone's stuff.
But then I saw 2 mosquitoes, so I don't think it's gonna work. Oh, you saw 4.
And those 2 lizards are waiting like in a queue. What are they doing?
Lizards don't do anything. I ran near them, they didn't do anything to me.
Sir Cabbage, we have to do this. So these guys will lead the way, and then
Like the thing is, their bodies were closer, and there weren't much insects there. Ours are farther in. There are more insects over there.
I know, but then these people are there, right? So they'll die probably.
Yeah, we'll die
Yeah.
first.
We just have 3 seconds.
Yeah?
Yeah, because 3 people
come.
died.
Ready? No.
Wait.
I don't think so. We'll just try this and then we'll go sleep.
Let me set my spawn point.
Yeah?
That is fine.
Everyone ready for activating your active power and get ready.
How do you activate it? I forgot the key.
Oh.
FQ.
Go in.
Get ready.
Now.
Jump in.
Yeah, fuck off.
You guys go, friend. You guys go.
No, we need to enter their targeting system first.
No, Mukund, stop!
I have everything here. You guys go take your stuff.
അതല്ല നീ ഒന്ന് വെയിറ്റ് ചെയ്യ് I and Sir Cabbage are here.
Who needs? ഇനി ആർക്കൊക്കെ അവരുടെ സാധനം എടുക്കണ്ടേ ഒന്ന് പറഞ്ഞേ.
Me and Sir Cabbage.
Me and Sir
Okay,
Cabbage.
let's go.
Let's go.
Don't run, just walk. Because when you reach
Stamina.
it, you have to run.
I activated the power of Victor.
Yeah,
I can
not
run.
activated. Yeah.
This is cycle.
Not this.
Build it. Yeah, got it. I got it.
Go back.
Guys, go get it.
I got mine. I'm gonna run back.
Sir Cabbage.
Run back.
I'm running at the
Sir Cabbage is standing there. Leave.
I'm distracting it crazily. I'm gonna die.
Dude, the distraction works.
It works.
Like jumping in circles.
Yeah, that is that crazy. I don't know what to do.
It worked.
എല്ലാം എടുത്താ
So I have some items back, but then they are not relevant. I got majority of my stuff.
Like what do you
Majority,
what do
what is the rest?
you what do you mean?
There's like 2 pieces of something left. I don't care.
How did you miss it? You can go back.
Because I have full stuff. My
I can't get.
I couldn't get. I wanted to try and kill one.
Oh my god, fucking dickhead.
I already hit here.
Wait, what happened? Is everything okay?
Yeah, it's fine.
I got my stuff. That was a win-win. Yeah. Except we didn't get our boat. Can we? Okay, we'll sail back. Okay. No problem.
Wait, what is? How can I enter this house?
Okay, listen. So next mission is to get our boats and sail back.
Let me just collect my stuff back.
Do you want to leave that portal there? That's another question.
Yeah.
Yes.
Leave it there.
Okay, that means we can only use one active portal at a time.
No.
Remember that.
Just change the
You
name
get more
whenever you want.
Yeah, just remember that it's called Sally 2. I'm gonna change Sally 2 to Sally. I'm closing the portal to there.
No, don't. We need to get.
Wait.
that name back.
എല്ലാവരും ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് ഒന്ന് ചെയ്തെന്ന്
ആ ഐലൻഡിലോട്ടുള്ള പോർട്ടൽ ക്ലോസ് ചെയ്തു. ലൈക്ക് വി ആർ യൂസിങ് ദ സെയിം പോർട്ടൽ ടു ഗോ ടു ദി എൽഡർ ഐലൻഡ് ആൻഡ് ദി അതർ ഐലൻഡ്. വി ഹാവ് നോ നീഡ് ടു ഗോ ടു ദി അതർ ഐലൻഡ്. എൽഡർ ഐലൻഡ് ആക്കി.
Two both.
ഓ ഓക്കെ.
എന്താ?
യു നീഡ് ദ ബോട്ട്. ഡു യു നീഡ് ദ ബോട്ട്?
ബോട്ട് പിന്നെ എടുക്കാം, ഇന്ന് കിടക്കാം, വാ ഉറങ്ങാം.
എടാ സാലിയും സാലി 2 ഒറ്റ ലെറ്റർ മാറ്റിയാൽ മതി. ഇറ്റ്സ് ഫൈൻ.
ഓക്കെ ഫൈൻ.
Oh, I got my 2 salting cores.
എടാ കിടക്കൊന്നും വേണ്ടല്ലോ, നേരെ ഗെയിം ക്ലോസ് ചെയ്താൽ പോരെ.
ലോഗൗട്ട് ചെയ്തോ.
I want to try killing one.
Oh my god. Oh, that was a win-win. Yeah.
That
That
was
worked.
adventure of
At
a
the
life.
end of the day, if you check the work down, we are at the same
Shut up,
point.
shut up.
where we
Don't
started.
ruin it. I have to sleep happy, please.
Work done is measured in force
God,
into
good
displacement. Our displacement was 0 at the end of the day.
We
How does Neha sleep every day?
probably by
How many times do you fap to get happy? Like I don't.
Nehal finds joy in ruining others' happiness. That's too dark.
Yeah, that makes sense actually.
No, I'm serious. We didn't.
I'm gonna log, I'm gonna quit.
Yeah, it's a good.
I'm gonna equip my shit and then quit. I don't wanna leave this man naked. He did very good shit for me.
I want to go in naked with a bow and try kill them.
Damn, log out. So much
Good
content.
night.
We got so much content, boys.
Good night. Like recorded content. I'm gonna send it to Mukku. Like tomorrow, okay? Tomorrow will be fine, right?
I have my that day when we were glitching, right? Okay.
Yeah.
I have that in my drive, but then it's 11 GB.
എടാ ഹാൻഡ് ബ്രേക്ക് എടാ സമയം എടുക്കുന്നുള്ളൂ.
Ada, I tried handbrake. It's the thing is I don't know. Like I recorded
I'll
a
tell you the
really good.
preset.
Huh?
I'll tell you the preset.
No, Leo, I had used handbrake.
Then what?
The thing is, I recorded at such high resolution. That's why